If you're looking for the best ways to create a balanced retirement portfolio, you're likely wondering how to ensure your savings are both protected and growing, especially in these uncertain times. The good news is, achieving a balanced portfolio isn't as complicated as it sounds, and today I'm going to show you how to do it efficiently, step by step, and why gold IRAs are key to ensuring your wealth stays secure. Make sure you stick around until the end, because I'm going to give you a unique solution that thousands of Americans are using to protect their retirement savings right now. Before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to grab your free Gold IRA guide. You'll discover why so many people are turning to Gold IRAs to keep their savings secure in today's volatile market. Now, when you're crafting a balanced retirement portfolio, you need to focus on a few core principles. First and foremost, you want to ensure that your portfolio is diversified. This means not putting all of your money into one asset class. Stocks, bonds, real estate, they all have a place in a balanced portfolio, but the trick is making sure you have the right mix. A typical recommendation for retirees is to allocate a larger portion of your savings into less risky assets like bonds or cash, especially as you near retirement age. However, bonds and cash can be vulnerable to inflation, meaning they might not keep up with the rising cost of living over time. And if you're looking for long-term stability, that's a problem. This is where gold IRAs come in. Gold has been a reliable store of value for thousands of years. Unlike stocks or bonds, it's not tied to the ups and downs of the economy. Gold holds its value, making it an excellent hedge against inflation and market volatility. If you want to make sure your retirement savings are as protected as possible, you absolutely need to consider adding gold to your portfolio. And if you don't know where to start, that's exactly why I recommend you click the link in the description to get your free guide. Moving on, let's talk about risk tolerance. How much risk are you willing to take with your retirement savings? If you're younger, you might be able to afford a higher risk tolerance, putting more money into stocks or even speculative investments. But if you're nearing retirement age, you'll want to lower your exposure to riskier assets, ensuring your portfolio has a solid foundation. That's why, for many retirees, a gold IRA provides that extra level of security. Another thing to consider is the allocation between domestic and international investments. Many people focus heavily on US stocks, but diversifying globally can help you take advantage of growth opportunities outside the US while reducing exposure to any single country's economic conditions. That said, no matter how global you go, gold IRAs offer unmatched stability, especially in times of international uncertainty. Now, let's talk about cash flow. One of the biggest concerns retirees have is ensuring they have enough cash flow to cover their expenses. It's vital to have enough liquid assets, like cash or low-risk investments, so you can cover day-to-day expenses without having to sell off parts of your portfolio during a downturn. However, most traditional retirement accounts don't offer a lot of flexibility or growth potential to outpace inflation, which means you could be facing the erosion of your purchasing power over time. This is where gold IRAs shine. Not only do they preserve wealth, but they also offer potential growth, especially in times when stocks and bonds are underperforming. Gold has historically done well in times of economic turmoil, giving you peace of mind knowing your savings are working for you. Lastly, it's important to periodically review and adjust your portfolio as your circumstances change. You'll want to reassess your risk tolerance, income needs, and financial goals regularly to ensure your portfolio is still on track. This means checking in on things like your asset allocation, your exposure to inflation-protected investments like gold IRAs, and your overall diversification. And here's the kicker. If you have more than $100,000 in your IRA or 401k, or even up to $5 million in savings, then a gold IRA could be the perfect addition to your portfolio. It's one of the best ways for American retirees to safeguard their wealth. Don't wait until it's too late to secure your retirement. If you're serious about ensuring your retirement is protected, click the link in the description now and get your free gold IRA guide. It's the smartest move you can make for your future, and it's the perfect time to start if you want to diversify your wealth and protect it against the risks that lie ahead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.